Mema obibia afesiapa eba November da edikan ewo afi 2021 mu ende ana yehye November ase na yehye asese a yasanso ahya ase pepepe a eye dwada eye Monday se na wonim no Monday eye busy day edema obia ana eneso eye 1st November nyame ehwe papa endra esoso na attention multimedia esan lanche yes TV station I friend attention TV se nyame ehwe yen abroso meje de se wo so a wo hwe yen wo fie na wo follow yen so no nyame so egusu ehwa mo bibia akwa ema mo matching edeba attention TV so midin ane Akosia Sparkles na senya wonim ne se wo hia media na ndese na de bianso mesan kanu no we hia asem papa ensem a ekoso ewo social media so ana mpenifo ekukuru we de wan fans meeting o de share nsem se mi ankasa mi generating committee na enki ewo meeting time so na maboba twem na ende aje mpenifo na nkasa edinsuo ebremo studio ha fi se ensanemu eyedu papa yie ewo ha se na nsa na mehye ensem na sana wasomo ye o chechecheche no tobo mame when I was asne ewo jumedie so eye Queen University Foundation eye oba so no bia odwatse wagini hwesi o se foundation we ode beboa wona woni bie ejanka ekunafo mobrowa na ode abom no muso omonsa akọ omano ana omonya bibi aye na University Foundation de strebi eto bia enimu se we ankra ananse mu ye group na se mo pe foundation bi aboa ene de na wonjira ye University Foundation ana ye to sa afro se we de omboa ana we de nyawo ebeboa University Foundation se wo pese we nya University Foundation a wo benya no it was 054-830-2985 054-830-2985 midi ya ne Akosia Sparkles me twa me ho aba me kopenso bia no pe wache bisi nchen se na wo mi kakre na pe benku onya fofo kwa ne life super enye hwe me twa me ho e ba sisia Medja wase se onya brenya o twen honhom e de twen me bra because ma bo afon krato na onim se na ye no no ye amofo kwanto no e ye nche because nsam ye dikuku me no eso me ka sha o se me konu musu aba makonom e se ma ye ma hyehye ensem no na me de betije na se me sha se dia na wo twe atwom nsem bi e be ba fa awefo me no hu bia that social media na de me kan no social media de obi pese obi etumpon odbrena se odi asem kwa ma ne fans ono kwa ka asem kwa che nikunu krotimi kwa de kofa social media so na ene de eno a enye nkoso eno so a enye odi nipa ne bafo eye adwenche ana yes sister bia ono na asem da court on the 9th of this 1st of December no be court say 1st December na yekokuma kopebonya tariasho no ono de obepiem court ono ana odi message kakra ema yes sister Zandi Kamelwa say you know I say the marriage issue abeda abonten I say obi akebi dano ye redi bi tremo wana woma the support wana was supporting ni kunu wana was supporting no ana wana so a was support mu na epiem ka says Zandi Kamelwa nankasa ka say ni kunu say ono Zandi no oni atofo nanso Zandi fans ama nenime ngu ase wo kire ne say Zandi ewo fans ewo Ghana hase na we na yes sister ekapim polo ka kire Zandi Kamelwa say we ase ayeti we are celebrating kwanti kwa na yekwa yefuse wuku no chitie na yewo married people kwa wo Ghana hase wanye celebrities enso niku echiti na niku nkra echiti a na se okwa bonten kwa na oba okana no tum oyerepanti na wayedin na niku no akuso ni okoye wabonten ba no asane na betra fefe ohosno waka kire no se ye ma menum yi aye ni omuwo ye ya yedase ni omutiasi omo krampo no ebi ba ko mienu bi wo ha na omo kun ni mu cheating nanso omo njai aware enti se ukun na cheating na we nche se ebi mada enye asem aga na fo eye ade foforo kra ma ye kra na cheating there remember now you cheating na esem ni say and all kind of say dear sis, I know you are going through a lot right now, but please sis, all I can say is if the man in question is abusing you and it's just about cheating, please don't let go the marriage, cause let me tell you, all men are cheaters. I say no, and I'm a say don't leave thinking you will have a fine and a perfect man who doesn't cheat. Please, our parents went through and still stood by our fathers. So now all I would say is nowhere is cool. Be calm, be prayerful, leave everything to God, and you will smile again. Okay, much love, Sunday. And to have say no, so no, me sure in come shame. Is it IGP but so be share come up abrani table so no one can by come share there this is the captain follow the for social media now. I think say come man and come on kwa e be kwa ma ye ni na wana wo marriage mo as say no omo kunu e cheat no ne sister e captain follow say hey say ukunu e cheat ya and then the news if we say all men remember ni na we cheaters meaning say ya men na you still ga say no on be pne ana so mo pne but say ni e ka polo e bi eni o me you say all men are cheaters and so one na your sister and che we are so say na me kan no ntoko bi ade he aya na me na manama so ye metete pe say ntoko bi cause social media and check and ntoko bi kakra bi na ansha na yekese eno kwa de anya to say beef na ye say come me ke bi sa no and I call so from the victim e wo Ghana ha say mam you ba ko eye na aba na ba ko so eye dusafoa na why video bi or interview ama ye da na se so the video anyways bi ba say na pa na ba actual na so and there sorry ya na ye ko hu video na global edusafo wase onu die onu kontia sese Ghana ha so obi ati ne baby na obi are living a life na o say onu kopa the person in question like onu kwa no just asem ne cry ya ne yama nipa no kwa metan bon o say adent no no edusafo a obe sorry na wakopa the person in question actually one can see ho say once say na ya na ye nim say nkofo ye mo type on social media yi omo kan Bible as na omo ba na and dey anso ho no quotation de me kan ya mamo na quote Psalm 51 verse 4. The person in question so won't say I need me dey fa attention TV so na me dey ama say kan Psalm 51 verse 4. I say against you only I have sinned and done what is evil in your sight, so that you are proved right when you speak and justified when you judge. And to the person in question or no only a chopper bia was so the man because they say no we are similar now we are living a life and as of patchobia or the back of my yesu now one there okopa na chowa no need or their chill or need they say he's just to forgive us of our sins. And see ono edusafo wadie oni chow pa bia edema obia ewo Ghana ahase meko konsa na esi o ana mental as da bi esi aha ana me de meko konsa kakra bia benifo ekukruma me esone so se me fambre ya hwefo ne yetiefo ewo YouTube ana Facebook se o join ya na won subscribe ya na wa subscribe na wa comment ya maye na wa sanso ahye ma akosia papa ma akweku papa ma akosia maame ma kwesi maame ehu se station bi wo ho a ye friend no Attention TV na so hu so a na wa subscribe na wa share amaye amobia ehu no mapa ye de brem ye say Attention TV there we inspire you more, educate you, inform you, and also entertain you. Ye be sign eshia you midi ane Akosua Sparkles.